Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingreality.com, and today I'm going to be showing you the cars that I have available on the new car class. This car class is the Let It Snow car class to go, and it is featuring, you guessed it, the Let It Snow suite from Stampin' Up. So anyway, let me go over the 3 options that I have. You can see the 6 projects you're going to be making. One thing, as you know, is everything is video tutorials, because I think that I can show you more little tips and tricks as I am making the cars rather than just type it instructions. So anyway, so the option 1 is the one that includes everything. So it will include the make and takes, the video tutorials, as well as the bundle, and you can see it here. This one is the Snowman Season stamp set, which has a coordinating punch, which is amazing, and I love that it is a punch because it makes the projects go super easy. Anyway, so we have that, and it also includes a pack of the what is this called, the embellishment kits, that it goes there, which it's back on order, so you can now get it. And you can see here I've been using it a lot, but this one is the one that has the arms, the noses, the buttons, and then of course there are scarves, mittens, and hats in 4 different colors. There's also some washi tape that has a little bit of the glittery look that I love, and then of course there's little snowballs. So all of these things are included on this class, and you're also going to be receiving half of a pack of the Design Series paper. And let me just show you here real quick. It is the Let It Snow Design Series paper, so you can see it here. Now the cool thing about it, and I don't know that you can really see it, is that this paper, let me just put it this way probably. This paper has a glittery look as well. This one is actually punch out, can be punched out with the punch that we have in the bundle. You can see all of them have some glittery look, so it looks fantastic. So the paper is really cool, so you're going to be getting half of a pack. And so the first option is $82. All the prices that I'm giving you already includes the $8 shipping fee. So if you are local to me and would like to pick it up, you can always apply a discount to get the shipping wave, so it will be $8 less. But all the prices I'm telling you right now has already that shipping fee, which by the way is shipping priority. So it includes tracking numbers, so I can see where the package is all the time. So anyway, so that's option 1. Now option 2 is for those of you that might have already the bundle. So if you already have the bundle, you need to go for option 2. Option 2 will include the same make and take, the video tutorials, half of a pack of the Design Series paper, as well as your embellishment kit. And so that option is $55. Again, that $55 already includes the $8 shipping. And the last option is for those of you who already have the embellishment, the paper, the bundle. You don't need me to cut anything. You don't need me to send you anything other than the video tutorials. You can do everything else by yourself, and so that option is $20. So anyway, on the description of this video, I'll put more information for you to know how to register for this class. And again, as always, I appreciate all your support, and I hope to see you in this class. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.